Choosing your first bonsai plant is one of the most important steps in your bonsai journey. As a beginner, the goal is not perfection, it's learning, patience, and growth. Today, I'll be sharing the plants in my collection. And at the end of this video, I'll choose which plant I'll begin my bonsai journey with. Before choosing, I focused on three important things. First, the plant must adapt well to our local climate. Second, it should tolerate heavy pruning because mistakes are part of learning. And third, it must be easy to keep alive so the journey stays enjoyable. Molave, also known as tugas, is a strong and resilient native tree. In nature, it represents durability and longevity. As a bonsai, it has excellent hardwood potential and long-term development. Molave adapts well to our local climate. However, it grows slowly. It does not respond quickly to pruning. This tree requires experience, proper timing, and a lot of patience. For beginners, Molave is best appreciated later in the bonsai journey. Hibiscus is known for its vibrant flowers and fast growth. It adapts well to our climate. It responds quickly to pruning, which makes learning very rewarding. However, hibiscus requires consistency. When stressed, it may drop its leaves or its flowers. For beginners, this can be discouraging. It is a good learning plant, but it demands attention and regular care. Japanese Bougainvillea is hardy and expressive. It thrives in full sunlight. It tolerates heavy pruning and creates dramatic shapes as a bonsai. However, it prefers dry periods between watering. Too much water, and it begins to suffer. Its branches can also be brittle. For beginners, Bougainvillea teaches discipline and restraint. Jade stands out as one of the most forgiving plants for beginners. It adapts well to warm climates. It tolerates heavy pruning, and most importantly, it is very easy to keep alive. Because jade stores water in its leaves, it recovers quickly from mistakes. Although jade is not a traditional woody tree, it is excellent for learning structure, balance, and clip and grow techniques. Jade builds confidence, especially in the early stages of the bonsai journey. Tamarind, also known as sampalok, is a strong tropical tree with beautiful fine leaves. It adapts very well to our local climate. As a bonsai, tamarind offers natural movement and a graceful canopy. However, tamarind requires more attention than jade. While it tolerates pruning, it can weaken if cut too aggressively. It prefers consistent sunlight and careful watering. For beginners, tamarind is a rewarding tree, but it requires patience and growing experience. After considering all of these plants, and the three things most important to me, I've decided to start my bonsai journey with jade. Jade adapts well to our local climate. It tolerates heavy pruning, which allows me to learn without fear. And most importantly, it is easy to keep alive, helping me build confidence and consistency. This will be my starting point. As I grow and gain experience, I'll slowly introduce trees like tamarind and other traditional bonsai into my collection. This is not the end. It's the beginning of the journey. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to follow my journey. To follow the journey, don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel.